Hi, this is Krish here. I'm your personal life skill coach and I'm here to help you to live your life to the fullest. Today we're going to speak on an important topic, the importance of having good friends. They say, show me who your friends are and I'll tell you who you are. And it's very true. The kind of friendship we have influences what kind of a person we become. So today we're going to speak on, show me your friends and I'll tell you who you are. Let's do a simple experiment. If I take a newspaper, a fresh today's newspaper, and ask you to smell, does it have a smell? Yes. What kind of smell is that? Yeah, maybe printing press smell, ink smell, yes. Now I take the same newspaper, buy some jasmine flowers from the roadside for 10 rupees. I put this jasmine flowers in this newspaper and cover it up for a few seconds and take the jasmine flower out and smell the newspaper. What smell will this newspaper have? Yes, very true. It will have the jasmine smell. It will have a nice fragrance, yes. Now I take the same newspaper, I buy some onion pakoda from that street vendor there for say 10 rupees and take that onion pakoda and put it in the newspaper, cover it up for a few seconds, then remove the pakoda and smell the newspaper. What smell will it have now? Yes, you're right, it will have the onion smell, garlic smell, oil smell. Yes, very true. Now if I take the same newspaper, see, if the newspaper can be so sensitive to capture the attention of what it was for a few seconds, imagine us. We are all bundle of feelings, right? Whatever we spend our time with, whatever we are in contact with, we will also get the same influence, right? Quantum physics has already proven that everything is vibration. The words I speak is vibration. The thoughts that you are having is vibration. Everything around is vibration. And people, they are also a bundle of vibrations. And what kind of a vibration? Is it negative vibration or positive vibration? Now it's a very simple test. You can just check. See the friends that you have. Are these friends complaining, cribbing, finding faults most of the time? If they are, then be very careful because these are people who are having negative vibration, right? And without knowing, under their influence, you will also start thinking your vibrational frequency will also change. You will also start to become like that. You will also crib, complain. On the other hand, your friends are people who have a lot of attitude of gratitude, who are very positive, who takes everything with a positive approach. These are the kind of friends you have. People who have ambitious, people who are goal-oriented, people who are very good values they have. Then your frequency will also get attuned to their frequencies, right? So very important to check the kind of friends you have. If your friends are good, then we will also become positive like them. So show me who your friends are and I'll tell you who you are. Thank you. Be blissful.